The day Cindy came into the ER, she came in as a cold fast, meaning someone just had a stroke less than 4.5 hours ago.
I knew what a stroke was. I didn't know the magnitude of what was happening to me. So the first thing I thought of, get me to Wellstar North Fulton. It's close, good reputation.
She came into our emergency room with right side weakness and some language problem. In our world, time is brain. Every minute counts. We have to get this patient evaluated as soon as possible, within less than 10 minutes.
When a patient comes to the emergency department with a new stroke, we have to work as a team. The emergency doctor has to rapidly identify what's going on with the patient. We have to move the patient to get the right pictures taken almost instantaneously.
We need all hands on deck. We need lab to get there immediately. We need the radiology techs to be ready to do their part. So it was just a matter of doing a few other formalities before she left the emergency room and went straight upstairs to the cath lab where she got the procedure.
The neurology team has to identify that there is a blockage that can be opened, and my team has to come and restore flow to the brain as swiftly as possible.
The speech, occupational and physical therapy came in the next day. I did my part, and Wellstar did all the rest. From there on, I felt well taken care of. I felt a relief. I just can't even tell you how much care and how great everyone was.